I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 48 for grade 1 mathematics. And what we are studying nowadays, guys, we are studying about the comparing lens. You know about the comparison of lens now. You can compare the different objects. You can compare the height of different objects and different animals, different pictures, different things. And you can also compare the lengths of different objects. You know about the tall, tallest, or tallest. Tall, taller, and tallest. Okay, for the height we use tallest or taller, and for the length we use long or longer, longer or longest. Okay, tallest we use which is longer than all, and longest we use which is longer than all, shortest we use which is shorter than all. We were completing one of the question in our notebook yesterday. There were 4 lines we drew in our notebook, A, B, C, and D, and we completed the question. The question number 1 was about, look at the above lines and fill in the boxes. Line A is dash than line B. That was the question. So you check the line A. This is line A and this is line B. So line A is longer. You can see line A is longer than B. So you will write here longer. The second question was about line B. Line B is dash than line D. So you will check the length of line B. This is line B and this is line D. So line B, you can easily say it is shorter. It is not longer than D. So B is shorter than line D. Then you will check line dash is longer than line A. Now in the question 1C, guys, the condition is given to you, but the line you have to identify. Which line is longer than line A? Okay. So you will see here that A is longer, but B is shorter than A. C is also shorter than A, but we have to check the line which is longer than A. So there is only one line which is longer than A, that is D. So you will say, sir, line D is longer than line A. So this will be your answer. That's why you will write D, because A is shorter, B is shorter, because A you are comparing with, so you cannot write A. You cannot compare A with A. Okay, and A is, and then you will come check B. B is shorter, C is shorter, only D is the line which is longer than line A. For question number 1D, line B is dash than line A. So for that you will check the line B, the length of line B. This is B and this is A. So you can easily see that B is shorter than A. So you will write here line B is shorter than line A. For question number E, guys, line A is dash than line D. This is line A and this is line D. Look, this line A is not longer than D. It is shorter. So you will say line A is shorter than line D and dash than line B. Now you will compare line A with line B. This is AB and it is longer than B and shorter than D. So line A is shorter than D and longer than line B. Now dash is the longest line. Longest means, guys, longer than all. A is longer than B and C but shorter than D. So A is not longest line. B is longer than C but not A and D. So B is not also longest line. But D is longer than C also, B also, and A also, longer than all. So D is the longest line. For C, for dash is the shortest line. Dash is the shortest line. Shortest means, guys, shorter than all. B is shorter than A, shorter than D, but not shorter than C. So B is not shorter than all. That's why B is not the shortest. Okay. A is shorter than D, but not shorter than B and C. So A is also not shortest. But if you look at C, C is shorter than D also, B also, and A also. So C is shorter than all. So C is the shortest line. C is the shortest line. If you look at H, dash line is longer than line B and shorter than line D. The condition is given, guys. You have to identify which line is that. What the question is saying, that which line is longer than line B. So first you will check longer lines. Which lines are longer than line B? Line A and line D. Only two lines are longer than line B, A and D. Now read it further. But shorter than line D. Shorter than line D. So this is line A. Okay. The question is longer than line B. Longer than line B is A and D, but shorter than D, that means this is only A. So guys, up to here, do you understand all the things?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Everything is clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. Very good. Do you have any questions, guys?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No.
Very good. If you have any question, you can send the message in the chat box. I can take your question and I will answer it. Okay. So guys, this is, we finish about the comparing lengths. What we are going to today more, guys, today, we will start today a new topic, that is measuring length. Remember guys, measuring length is not in your book. It is not included in your book, measuring length right now. Okay. We will see, we will check measuring length, just one page we have. Okay. But we will discuss it more, and we will discuss how we can measure the lengths, which units we use. Okay. And we will do some practice with the help of worksheets also. Okay. So I'm going to start with the worksheet where you will learn that how we can measure the length. Okay. How we can measure the length. And then we will practice for this measuring length. We will learn the measuring length in centimeter and meter as well. All right, guys. So I'm going to start measuring length in centimeters. Guys. Okay. All right, Sami Jazi. Wait for a while. Yes, Sami.
Yes.
Yes. Say
Yes.
yes.
You is a good class.
Sorry.
You are a very good class.
I am very good.
But you have got the bed and you got time really long. So well.
Sami, I could not get you. What you do? You have any question?
Yes, I am saying it.
What is the question?
You you work, but what is this so good work? That's my question.
I'm not getting your question, Sami. Send your question in the chat box. Okay. Write it. I will take your question. I will answer it. Okay.
Okay.
Write it in the chat box. I will read it and I will answer it. All right, guys. So we are going to talk about the measuring length. Guys, we can measure the length with the help of paper clips and buttons also. Okay. So first I'll tell you how we can measure the length with the help of paper clip or buttons. Look, this is the length of the pencil. Until now, you were just comparing the length. You were comparing the length here, the length of the giraffe, that this is longest, this is longer. Okay. And this is taller, this is shortest, this is taller, this is taller, this is taller, this pencil is longest, this is shortest. Okay. But you were not aware that how much long the giraffe is, how much tall the giraffe is, or how much long the pencil is. Hmm? Like here you did the example with the pencils, you know that A is longer than B, but you don't know what is the length of the line A, what is the length of the line B, what is the length of the line D. So right now what you are going to do today, you are going to learn that how you can measure the length. So you guys, you can measure the length with the small objects from your home, like the paper clips. If you want to measure your pencil length, you can use the paper clip. Look, and you can check how many paper clips are there. One, two, three, four, five. And you can say, sir, my pencil is 5 paper clips long. How much long your pencil is? My pencil is 5 paper clips long. Then again, maybe you measure your sister pencil or your brother pencil, and this is 6 paper clips long. So you will say, sir, my sister pencil is longer than my pencil because it is 6 paper clips long. Okay. Or you can use, instead of paper clips, you can use the buttons also. Okay, you can check the measurement, you can check the length of this pencil with buttons also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, there are 8 buttons. Okay, so you can say, sir, my pencil is 8 buttons long, my pencil is 8 buttons long. So you can use these objects to measure something which is shorter than 1 meter. You can use this and you can measure this. But guys, when we talk about the standard unit, when we talk about the standard unit of measurement length, so we use either meter or centimeter. We use normally meter to measure. Meter is the standard unit for measurement for the length. Okay, and meter is divided into 100 equal parts, and each part is 1 centimeter. So I can say 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. All right. To what I tell you, tell you guys that the meter is the standard unit for measuring length. Okay. And meter can be divided into 100 subparts, and each part is equals to 1 centimeter. That's mean 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. All right. 1 meter is equals to how many centimeter, guys?
100.
100.
100 centimeter.
Very good, very good. So guys, where to use meter and where to use centimeter to measure the length? We use centimeter to measure the length of the shorter objects which have the length of smaller objects which have shorter length, like your pencil, razor, sharpener, paper clip, pen. This type of this smaller objects you can measure with centimeter. Okay, I show you the centimeter ruler, guys. This is the centimeter ruler. This is starting from 0 and this is up to 15. So guys, we were discussing that we can measure the length with the paper clips and buttons, but this is not standardized. Okay, it's good if we use a ruler to measure the length of anything. Okay, so to measure smaller objects we use centimeter ruler. Look at this ruler, this is from 0 to 15 centimeter. Maybe you have ruler which is from 0 to 20 centimeter or 0 to 25 centimeter, no problem. How you will measure a length of anything, guys? The easy way to measure length of any object or anything is to place on 0. The first end, placed it at 0. Look at this pencil, guys. We want to know the length of this pencil. So I placed the one end of this pencil at 0. Look, this is 0. Okay. I placed one end of this pencil is at 0. Now I will check the another end. This is the second end. The second end I will check at which number. This is at 13. So I will say this pencil is 13 centimeter long. Why centimeter? Because this is centimeter ruler. So I will say this pencil is 13 centimeter long. How you will measure the length, guys? Again, I tell. First thing, you placed one end at 0, and then you will check the length up to which number the other end is. This is the second end, the other end of the pencil, and you will check the number. The next number, the number on the other hand is 13. So you will say, sir, that this pencil is 13 centimeter long. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes,
Thank you.
Very good. Coming to the book again, coming to this page again, guys. So centimeter is another unit for measurement length, and you know we can write centimeter as cm, as I write here. Okay, and where we use centimeter, which to measure objects which are shorter or shorter than 1 meter. Like here we are going to measure the length of the pen. So look here, its first end is placed at 0, and this is the second end of the pen. Check out the number and tell me the length of this pen. I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me the length of this pen. Yes, guys, what is the length of this pen?
12.
Very good. The answer is 12 centimeter. Guys, this is not in your book, I tell you. Okay. This is 12 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter. How do you know it is 12 centimeter? Because the other hand is reaching the number that is 12. All right, guys. Look here. If I ask you, can you measure the length of this razor? So you will say, sir, yes, I can measure it. Look, the one end is placed at 0, and this is the another end. And this is the number that is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this razor is 4 centimeter long. This razor is 4 centimeter long. So you will say, sir, this is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now what you are going to do, guys, you are going to help me to measure the length of this line. Look at this line. This is the centimeter. This is the ruler, guys. It is starting from 0. Look, the line starts from 0 and the line is reaching up to a number. You have to tell me the length of this line. Answer me in the chat box. How much centimeter? What is the length of this line, guys? Tell me the length of this line. Muhammad Al Sheikh, very good. Siddiq Ghalib, very good. In the chat box, please. Arish, very good. Ahmad Al Badi, very good. Muhammad Talha, very good. Yusuf, very good. Zafar Rashid, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Suleiman Al Ugeli, very good. Rayan, very good. Muhammad Al Uraini, very good. Wali Ahmad, I think it's a typing mistake. Sayyid Uzafa, very good. Umar Nizar, very good. No Soleh, how 5? Muhammad Majdi, very good. Sami Hijazi, very good. Yusuf Hani, very good. No. Very good, Rashid. All right, I'm going to open your mic and you will all will tell me the answer. Yes, guys.
12.
Very good. The answer is 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. How do you know? Because this line reach up to 12. Okay, so you will say, sir, the answer is 12 centimeter. Okay, now I'm going to change the length of this line and I will ask it again. Sorry. Yes, guys. Now you have to tell me the length of this line. Check out the length of this line. Check out the length of this line and tell me. Arish, very good. Muhammad Al Raini, Muhammad Talha, Suleiman Tariq, Omar Nizar, Arish, Huzaifa Rashid, Omar Nizar, Sayyid Huzaifa, Ahmad Al Badi, Muhammad Al Raini, Arish, Suleiman Lugeli, Yusuf, Muhammad Majdi, Muhammad Kashan, Rayan, Ahmad Al Badi, Muhammad Ali Yad, Muhammad Majdi, Yusuf Hani. Very good. Time Knife, very good. Abdul Mueed, very good. Sami Hijazi, very good. Umar Mohsen, very good. Time Allah, very good. Suleiman Abdullah, very good. Wali Ahmad, very good. Okay, I'm going to open your mic. Yes, guys, how much long? The answer is very good. 8 centimeter. The answer is 8 centimeter because it is reaching up to 8. All right, guys, this is just for practice. We were learning about this centimeter. Okay. Now we will also learn about that. You have a great idea about now that how you can measure the length in the centimeter. Now we will discuss how you can measure the length in the meter also. As I told you guys, for shorter objects you use centimeter, but for objects which is taller you use meter ruler, taller or longer. So guys, this is meter ruler. Okay, this is equals to 1 meter. The whole ruler is equals to 1 meter. Now we will do some practice for measuring length in meters. Guys, these are the worksheets. I will upload these worksheets in Classera course material once we finish this topic, and inshallah you will complete all of this worksheet by yourself also. Okay, so you have to find out the length of the following and you have to ring the correct answer. This is the meter ruler, guys. Look, this is the meter ruler. This is the meter ruler. This is the meter ruler. It starts from 0. This is half meter and this is 1 meter. Okay, guys, this is half meter. This is half meter. This is 1 meter and this is quarter meter. It is not written, but I am writing here. This is quarter meter. We have already studied about half and quarter. What does the mean of half? Half, this is half. Half means this is the half of this ruler. This is divided into 2 equal parts and this is one of the part of the ruler. Okay, and this is quarter. That's mean out of 4 parts, this is one of the part of the ruler. Okay, so this is half meter, this is quarter meter, and this is 1 meter. Guys, you remember about half and quarters?
Yes, sir. I do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I love you, sir. I love you, sir.
Very
I
good.
love you,
Okay, thank you. All right, guys, what you have to do?
sir.
Yes, you have to find out the length of the following: the pencil, the candle, the umbrella. How you will find out? You will check it with the ruler and then you will tell the answer. One, I'm going to do it for you, and then you will help me to complete others. Look at this pencil. This pencil height is reaching up to this, and this is actually quarter meter. This is quarter meter. So the length of this pencil is quarter meter. So I will circle quarter meter. Why? Because I know the height of this pencil is quarter meter. How do I know? I check it with the ruler. I draw a line and check On the meter ruler, it is reaching up to this point, which is quarter meter. So I will say the pencil is quarter meter long. The pencil is quarter meter long. Suleiman Tariq, it is not centimeter, it is meter ruler. Okay. We are discussing about now length in meters. Okay. It is not cm, it is all am. So the answer is quarter meter. Do you understand it, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now you will help me to tell me the length of this candle. Look at this candle and I'm going to draw a rough line for you. Look at here. Tell me what is the length of this candle. Answer me in the chat box. 1 meter, half meter or quarter meter? 1 meter, half meter or quarter meter? Tell me the answer, guys. Sulaiman Tariq, very good. Mohammad Talha, very good. Siddiq Ghalib, very good. Rashid Ahmad, very good. Yusuf, very good. Arish, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Sayyid Uzaifa, very good. Muhammad Al Raini, very good. Abdul Mueed, very good. Yusuf Hani, very good. Ahmad Al Badi, very good. Time Allah. Suleiman Al Ugeli, what should I repeat? You need to find out the length of the candle. Okay. Compare the length of the candle with the meter ruler and check out and tell me is the length of the candle is 1 meter, half meter or quarter meter. Very good, Yusuf. Muhammad Momin, very good. All right. I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me, guys. Yahya Yusuf,
Air.
can you tell me the length of this candle?
Yes.
What is the length? Yes.
1.5.
Very good. Half meter. Very good. Wali Ahmad,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me the length of this candle?
Mm, 2.
No, how to? This is 1 meter, this is half meter, and this is quarter meter. This is 0 meter.
Half meter.
Half meter, okay. Time knife.
What, sir?
Can you tell me the length of this candle?
Up.
Yes.
What?
Can you tell me the length of this candle?
Umbrella.
No, I am asking the length of this candle. 1 meter, half meter, or quarter meter?
Hard meter.
Half meter. Very good. Yes, guys, would you like to tell me the length of this candle?
Half meter. Half meter. Half meter. Half meter. Half.
Very good. The answer is half meter because it is reaching up to half. So what I'm going to do here, I will circle half meter. This is the answer. Now we will check out the length of this umbrella. We will check out the length of this umbrella. I'm going to draw a rough line from here. Look and tell me it is 1 meter, a half meter or quarter meter. Answer me in the chat, guys. Muhammad Mashti, very good. Yusuf, very good. Suleiman Al-Ghali, very good. Muhammad Talha, very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Siddiq Ghalib, very good. Muhammad Al-Raini, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Abdul Mueed, very good. Uzaifa Rashid, very good. Saleh, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Yusuf Hani, very good. Umar Mohsin, very good. Umar Nizar, how quarter? Check it again. I'm asking about umbrella. Muhammad Momin, question is, what is the length of the umbrella? This is the question. No, Muhammad Mamoon. Okay, I'm going to take the some students. Time Allah. Time Allah.
Yes, sir.
What is the length of this umbrella? Can you tell me?
1 meter.
1 meter, okay. Sayyid Uzaifa. Sayyid Uzaifa.
1 meter.
1 meter, okay. And Suleiman Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
What is the length of this umbrella?
The length of umbrella. The what?
Sorry. I am asking what is the length of this umbrella? Can you tell me?
One meter.
Measure with this ruler. Look, I draw a rough line to the meter ruler. 1 meter, half meter, or quarter meter? Look, this is reaching up to here, this number. This is 1 meter, half meter, or quarter meter?
One meter.
1 meter, okay. And Suleiman Tariq.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Suleiman, what is the length of this umbrella?
1 meter.
1 meter. That's very good. And Sami Hijazi,
Yes, sir.
what is the length of this umbrella?
4 centimeters.
No, it is not centimeter, it is meter. 1 meter, half meter, or quarter meter?
Corner feet tall.
It is 1 meter, okay? Look,
1 meter tall.
yes. Exactly, guys, the answer is 1 meter. So I'm going to circle here 1. Inshallah, in the next class, guys, we will complete this worksheet. We have some other worksheets also to complete. We will find out the length of these, and we will come to the book also. We'll solve the book exercises as well. All right, guys, our class time is finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.